what are your thoughts on using open source products? Because being an organization that is using open source products for delivering solutions for business automation, there are definitely certain myths that you can help the evaluators that these are just myths and can be debunked. And also there are general questions around the licensing, like is there licensing a challenge? So can you please throw some light on these questions? Like, what are your thoughts on that?
Sure. Think about I work in Europe, and in Europe, 70% of employees work in companies with less than 250 employees. So if I think of open source, I think of free to download software. Companies do not have the strength usually to customize the software. Therefore, the fact of having the sources is not perceived as an added value. It perhaps perceived as no man's land. So, and therefore the management does not know who to contact for support and assistance. And the myth to debunk, to dispel, is an old mentality to dispel in a decision maker, in my opinion, and is proprietary software is safe because I have a contact person and there is a software owner who take care of maintenance of all development and so take care of me as a company. So this myth must be dispelled. In reality, I think is often quite the opposite. I'm not talking about open source system software, but with OFBiz and my experience about the business software, so ERP, B2B, WMS, CRM, and so on. Companies and managers do not want freedom, so but want security, reliability, and support. So we have to make it clear that open source software is safe. It's safe because it's not tied to a single software house, so is open, and I have support because I can have different partners working on the same software. And the software is reliable too because it's probably used by hundreds or thousands of companies and has a shared software support and source support. And this is an economic level because I am free as less blackmail. So in my opinion, this is possible is if there is a network of partners working on the same open source project. Within the community, they can be contributor, committer, and so on. But with companies, they must be partners.
Very well said, Nicola.